Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery level and physical condition because power issues mimic failures. Once charged at least 30%, inspect hinges, ear cup seams, and the micro USB port for debris. Next, perform a power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force restart, then release and power on normally. Make sure to try a different charging cable and wall adapter to isolate cable faults. If LEDs behave erratically, note the pattern for later steps. Once the basics are confirmed, test audio via the 3.5 cable to determine whether Bluetooth is the issue. Wired success points to wireless or firmware problems. You should unpair the beats from all devices and clear Bluetooth caches on your phone or computer, then repair cleanly to remove profile conflicts. Make sure to check for firmware updates through your connected Apple device or Beats app. Firmware fixes many audio dropouts and ANC behavior, so updating often resolves subtle glitches. To finish, verify active noise canceling and transparency modes to isolate circuitry faults. Toggle each mode and listen for distortion or hum, because that indicates ANC amp or gasket issues. If problems persist, consider professional repair for driver replacement or internal battery service. Batteries degrade and can cause power anomalies. Once done, perform a factory reset to clear settings, then test thoroughly. If you still see error LEDs or unstable pairing,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.